Welcome back to my channel. Today we explore the value of specific coins, the most valuable Washington quarter dollar coin, coins value and market in dollar. So let's get started. First up, the 1988 Washington quarter with a P mint mark. You might not think much of it at first. It looks like an ordinary coin that has passed through countless hands over the years. But many collectors and coin enthusiasts know that even common coins can sometimes hold surprising value depending on their condition and unique features. That's exactly why this particular coin is worth taking a closer look at. The 1988 P Washington quarter was produced at the Philadelphia Mint, which is represented by the P mint mark on the coin. During that year, hundreds of millions of these coins were struck, making them very common in everyday circulation. Because of this, most people assume they are only worth their face value of 25 cents, and in many cases, that assumption is correct, especially if the coin is heavily worn or damaged. However, when we talk about a coin being in very fine condition, things start to change. A very fine coin has clearly been in circulation, but it still retains strong detail. The design of George Washington on the front remains visible, with moderate wear on the hair and facial features. On the reverse side, the eagle design is still clear, although you may notice some flattening in the finer details. This level of preservation is better than average, but it is not rare enough on its own to make the coin highly valuable. In today's market, a 1988 P Washington quarter in very fine condition is usually worth its face value, which is 25 cents. In some cases, a collector might pay slightly more, perhaps up to 50 cents, if the coin has an appealing appearance or better than average detail. Still, it is important to understand that this coin, in this condition, is not considered rare by collectors. Where things start to change is when condition improves beyond very fine. Coins that are in extremely fine or uncirculated condition can command higher prices. An uncirculated Next up, the 1989 Washington quarter with the D mint mark is one of those coins that collectors often come across, and while it may look ordinary at first glance, its value depends heavily on its condition and overall quality. The 1989 D quarter was minted in Denver and is part of the classic Washington quarter series that began in 1932. This coin features the familiar portrait of George Washington on the front, along with the word Liberty above his head and the phrase, "In God We Trust," beside him. On the reverse side, you'll find the traditional eagle design, a symbol that was used on quarters for many decades before the state quarters program began in 1999. One important thing to understand about the 1989 D quarter is that it was produced in very large numbers. In fact, hundreds of millions of these coins were struck, which means they are still very common today. Because of this high mintage, most examples you find in circulation are not considered rare, especially if they show signs of wear. When we talk about a coin being in very fine condition, it means that the coin has been used in circulation and shows moderate wear, but still retains clear details. On a 1989 D quarter in very fine condition, you can still see Washington's hair details, although they may appear slightly worn down. The lettering on both sides remains readable, and the overall design is still sharp, though not as crisp as a new coin. In today's market, a 1989 D Washington quarter in very fine condition is generally worth close to its face value. Most of these coins sell for around 25 cents to 50 cents. The value may vary slightly depending on the coin's appearance, such as how clean it looks or whether it has any noticeable marks or discoloration. However, it is important to understand that coins in this condition are widely available, which keeps their price relatively low. Next up, the 1982 Washington quarter with a D mint mark. At first glance, it seems like a completely ordinary coin, something you might spend without a second thought. But when you understand its background and how collectors evaluate coins, you'll realize there's more to this piece than meets the eye. The 1982 D Washington quarter was produced at the Denver Mint, and millions of these coins entered circulation during that year. Because of such a high production number, this coin is generally considered common. However, what makes 1982 quarters interesting is not just how many were made, but the unique circumstances surrounding their release. In 1982, the United States Mint made an unusual decision. They did not release official uncirculated mint sets that year. Normally, collectors rely on these sets to obtain coins in pristine condition. Without them, most 1982 quarters, including those from Denver, were sent directly into everyday circulation. This means they were used heavily in daily transactions, causing wear and tear over time. If you have a 1982 D quarter in good condition, it means the coin has been circulated and shows visible signs of use. You might notice smoothing on the high points of the design, small scratches, or a duller appearance compared to newer coins. In today's market, a coin in this condition is usually worth close to its face value. Most commonly, it may range from about 25 cents to around 50 cents, depending on how well it has been preserved. While that may not sound exciting, the story doesn't end there. The real interest in this coin comes from the difficulty of finding examples in higher grades. Because so many coins were used in circulation, it's actually quite challenging to find a 1982 D quarter that still looks fresh and untouched. Coins that avoided heavy use and maintain their original detail are much more desirable to collectors. When you move beyond good condition into uncirculated or mint state grades, the value